What's going on, guys? Jack here at C247.com. We're here today with another unboxing video. We're taking a look at the newly released TCL 306. Let's take a look inside the box of the TCL 306. We've already broken the seal. Of course, we're greeted with the phone first in its plastic wrapper. Also inside the box, you can find your quick start guide, your charging cable, and 3-pin UK charging plug, and of course your SIM key. Okay, let's look at the phone a little more closely. We've taken a look inside the box, now let's have a look at the phone a little more closely. On first impressions, this device starts at £109.99. It has a plastic housing around the edges and a slightly plastic back on the rear as well. It doesn't feel great for a phone that costs £100, it's never going to, but with that in mind, it is okay. It has USB-C charging, as you can see on the bottom, and it has a 3.5mm audio port. One of the main features of this device, and what TCL are putting a lot of effort into, is showcasing its 5000 milliamp battery. We say you can get 2 days use out of it, or 7-day use if you're using the device for just your daily tasks. It has an intelligent charging mode that will help prolong the battery's lifespan. Let's take a look at the display, but first of course some ASMR content for you. Lovely. The TCL 306 comes with a 6.5 2-inch HD Plus NXT Vision display, which does sound like a mouthful. It is very clever. It uses AI to intuitively adapt the display based on how you're using the phone, whether that's watching videos, doing some light reading, or playing some of your favourite games. It also has a sunlight display mode that will adapt to the sunlight to increase your brightness so you can still see the display, and it also has a dim light display mode which will have reduced the brightness so you're not blinded in those low light environments. The quality is okay and it is 60 Hz. It is relatively smooth, but on first impressions for a phone that cost £100 you couldn't complain. Surprisingly, the TCL 306 comes with an octa-core processor with built-in deep optimization that helps keep your apps running smooth in the background. It also has 3GB of RAM, which is perfect for running the Android 12 operating system. Those who have a keen eye will have noticed that this phone has a triple camera. You'll see here we have a 13-megapixel high-resolution camera, a 2-megapixel depth camera, and a 2-megapixel macro lens with multiple modes. We're actually dead impressed with some of the features that this rear camera has to offer. It has 22 shooting scenario recognition, which will automatically adjust based on what you're recording or taking photos of and choose one of those scenarios that will give you the best image quality. It also has some image stabilization and fast focus for those fast moving shots. This phone will be able to pick them up. Let's not forget about the 5-megapixel front camera, which also comes with portrait mode. One thing worth mentioning is you can use the Pro mode to customize and adjust all the individual camera settings. You'll have a HDR mode and a panorama mode. The TCL 306 starts at 32GB of internal storage, which can be upgraded using a microSD card all the way up to 512GB. So no matter how many photos, videos or apps you're downloading, you'll still have plenty of space available. There's also some built-in security measures such as Face ID and this rear fingerprint sensor. That is all we have to cover for the TCL 306. What do you think? It's an interesting device, isn't it, for which only costs £100. It's packed full of technology with an incredibly big battery at 5000 milliamps. We have a triple AI camera with multiple different modes and features, a 6.5-inch HD Plus display, and some basic security features like your Face ID and fingerprint sensor. As a whole, it's a great package from TCL, and we are impressed with the device because it only costs £109.99. But this is Jack, guys, signing off from C247. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment box down below and let us know which phone you'd like to see next. We may have some additional TCL devices coming very, very soon, so keep an eye out for that. That's it, guys. Jack here. See you soon.